Inhale, raise your hands up over the head. And exhale, relax your hands down. Inhale here. Now as you exhale, Namaskar. Inhale, raise your hands up over the head, Urdhva Hastasana. Now as you exhale, fold forward, Uttanasana. Now inhale halfway through, Ardha Uttanasana. Now bend your knees, press your palms, walk or jump Adho Mukha Svanasana, downward facing dog pose. Inhale, upward facing dog pose. And then exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And then exhale in Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale your right leg front between your palms and turn your left foot out, warrior first. Now inhale, stretch your hands out and keeping your pelvis open, warrior two, and look towards your right hand. Inhale, lean back, place your left palm on your left thigh and right hand over the head, close to the ear. Keep breathing. Now as you exhale, lean forward, rest your right elbow on your right thigh and left hand over the head close to the ear. Extended side angle pose. Come back to warrior two, Virabhadrasana 2. Now as you exhale, lean forward, press your palms on mat, tuck your left toe and your right leg back, downward facing dog pose. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale, your left leg front between your palms. Turn your right foot out, warrior first. Now stretch your hands out away from each other, warrior two, pelvis open. Keep breathing. Now inhale, lean back and place your right palms on your right thigh and left hand above. Keep breathing. Now as you exhale, lean forward, rest your left elbow on your left thigh, right hand over the head, and look towards your right hand. Now inhale, come back to warrior two. As you exhale, lean forward, press your palms, tuck your right toe on your left leg back, downward facing dog pose. Inhale, upward facing dog pose, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. And exhale to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog pose. And then exhale, downward facing dog pose. Now inhale, your right leg front and your left leg front, half forward fold. And then exhale to fold forward. Inhale, slowly come up, raise your hands up, Urdhva Hastasana. Then as you exhale, Namaskar. Inhale, Tadasana. Namaste.